need to stop the hiccuping.
I can't help it.
This gives me. Oh, you're good. This gives me an idea. God damn it! It's a teddy bear!
I'm not scared of teddy bears, you are.
Scott. Scott.
Oh, you're gonna shoot me now.
Wait a minute. How was I supposed to call his hiccups again?